Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up and use Trust Wallet in simple steps. Step 1. Install Trust Wallet. Step 2. Create new wallet. Read and follow the instructions. If you lost your recovery files, you lost your money. Please make sure to keep your passphrase in a safe and secure place. Setup is done. Let's try to send some coins. Copy and paste the recipient address and enter the amount. This is the gas price setting or transaction fees. Higher gas price will speed up your transactions. Let's leave it at default setting. Transaction is pending. Let's add custom token while waiting for confirmations. In order to add custom token, we need to find its smart contract address first. On your browser, open etherscan.io. Search your favorite token. This is Binance. Just put the correct symbol and number of decimals, which is usually 18. Now, you can see the transaction is confirmed by the network. Receiving coins is easy. All you have to do is to share or send your receiving address to request payments. That's all. Thanks for watching.